So today I'm going to show you 3 great ways that you can use Chaat Masala. So Chaat Masala has a really interesting blend of spices. We've got amchur in there, which is dried mango, some black salt, and also asafoetida, cumin, coriander and chili. So for our Bombay style potatoes, I've got some caramelizing onions, some curry leaves and some green chilies. And the idea is that this will balance really beautifully with the sweetness of the onions. So I'm going to add some Chaat Masala to my onions now, and then I'll just stir this through. So I've got some simple roasted potatoes that I'm going to add to the onions. Combining all of these ingredients together in the pan will bring out the tart flavour of the mango and the heat of the chili, and it will work really well with the curry leaves and the potatoes. And we will just garnish them with a little bit more of the Chaat Masala just so we can get the flavour. So that's the Bombay potatoes done. So our next dish will be a chaat salad. For this dish, we are going to be cooking some cumin seeds and a little bit of oil. This will release the flavour of the seeds. So now I'm going to add in some chickpeas and also some grated ginger. You'll need to saute the ginger for about 30 seconds to really bring out the heat. And then to this, we're going to add some garam masala. So I'm going to mix this into some fresh cucumber, tomato and onion. This spice blend originates in India and the subcontinent, and the term chaat is also actually referring to various types of street food that this spice is used in. So one of my favourite things about this salad is using the Bombay mix. This is playing the role of a crouton, but it's with a bit more character. I'm now going to add some tamarind and lemon juice, which is really going to add acidity and freshness, and the tamarind also has a little bit of sweetness in it as well. So I'll just mix the lemon and the tamarind through to combine all of those flavours together. To give this salad a little bit more richness, we're going to add some yoghurt as a dressing. So we've got some natural yoghurt that we're just going to drizzle over the salad. And then this is when we'll bring in the Chaat Masala to give it some extra heat and some fruity flavours. Garnish this with a little bit of fresh coriander. And there we go, the chaat salad is ready. Chaat Masala also works very well in sweet dishes, so we're going to make an incredible fruit salad with it. So in the fruit salad today, we've got mango, apple, grape, pomegranate seed, lime juice, and then we're going to use some mint to dress. And rip the leaves straight into the bowl. So the Chaat Masala blend actually has dried mint within it, so adding fresh mint to the salad will create a harmony. So now I'm going to add some Chaat Masala to this, and then we'll just dress the salad. So that's 3 great ways you can use Chaat Masala. And for more Waitrose Cookery School recipes, please click to subscribe.